Alright, well, I'm back at it. Got my car up on the jack, got my two connecting arms. These are, what are these things? Torsion bar rods. So, anyway, I'm just doing this to be safe, since I already did this. To get the lower one, what you have to do is you have to pull the cover off the bottom of the car, which is, what is that? It's a, what is that, 8mm? 8mm. Got about 6 of those. That drops off. And then use an open-ended wrench to hold the anti-sway bar in place as you remove the E bolts from the side of that. That allows you to pull it down enough that you can stick a T in the end of the bolt to keep it from rotating, and you can unscrew this. These are the bolts that hold on the anti-sway bar. They are metric 13, and the visible fastener from right here is a e550. Okay, once that's off, you can just loosen this one end of this. You have to go in from the side of the wheel and keep that bolt from moving, so you can unthread it. As I say, then you're using a T40 in the end of it. You're unscrewing it with a, what is this? Metric 18 box wrench. All right, so let's see, where's my wrench? This is just to keep it from spinning. There it is. Okay, that's the wrong direction. So, it doesn't matter too much taking it off, but when I thread it back on, I don't want to damage the boot. So, let's see. No, there is a right and a left on these. Here's the connecting rod here. They come without these bolts. So here's the bottom, and now let's match it up. Okay, so here's my bottom. Which one is this? It looks like that one. Should be marked. Let's see, Mercedes-Benz, something. Anyway. Now that sure looks like the part, right? Compared to this guy, which is completely different, even if you turn it like that. So it's definitely this one. Out of curiosity, they do look kind of reversible, but this should be the bottom. This guy right here, and you can see the boot's intact. This is my thrashed boot. All right, so this is the right front of my car. Let's see. There's the top. There's my bottom. I think I'll thread in the top one first, because I don't want to rotate this thing around. And these nuts are tight to the touch. You can't go any tighter. Here's the other one. And this goes like there. Okay. Okay. You can feel it's tight once it gets to the end of the, where the threads start to bite. Okay. All right, so. There we go. Now, really want to do all my tightening. Let's see, like this. Let's see. So is that 18? Yeah. Huh? On your what? Yeah. Yeah. You gotta isolate your computer somehow. Okay, and I should find out if there's a torque setting for that. Again, I'm gonna get under here. Whoops. Let's see, that's what I do not want. That twist. get this thing tightened up as soon as possible. Okay. Okay. So you can see if that thing twists, it wants to break. It wants to that's good. So it's staying straight now, so it's not under tension. Come on, baby. Nice. Okay. There. I need to get that back into position. That is good. That's not damaged. Okay, so these need to get tightened back up. I could probably do these if I feel. Okay, good. Okay. All right. Let's see. E. Okay. Now, let's see. Those are lock nuts on that, and even with them fairly tight, I was able to still tighten it more just by turning the T or the E's on the front. So this is intact now. I'm going to go ahead and do that side since I bought the part. And then I'll know that my aromatics on all 4 points and those 2 connecting rods are all new and tight.